Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've been on the hunt for a waxing solution that combines smooth results with comfort, then keep watching. Today, we're talking about Too Naked Azulene Strip-Free Wax, a product that claims to provide a pain-free, high-performance experience for both men and women. Let's see how this unisex wax measures up. Now, azulene wax is a type of strip-free wax, and what sets it apart is its special formulation that works well for all hair types and lengths. This wax is known for its medium transparency and smooth consistency. It's designed to melt into a workable form within 4 to 5 seconds at a temperature of 108 degrees Fahrenheit. This means no risk of burns, which is especially important when you're working on sensitive areas like the bikini line or underarms. The wax is strip-free, which is a big plus for those who are used to salon-grade waxing but want to achieve similar results at home. In terms of real-world use, I found that the wax is super easy to work with. It applies smoothly and doesn't solidify too quickly, which means you have more time to work in smaller sections, which is especially great for beginners or anyone with less experience in waxing. You don't need to rush. This product really does allow for a bit of flexibility. It sticks only to the hair, not the skin, which reduces irritation and helps ensure that you're pulling hair out from the root without causing unnecessary pain. I didn't experience any redness or irritation after multiple uses, even on more delicate areas. However, one thing to note is that it requires a certain level of technique. While it's beginner-friendly in terms of not being too hot or quick to solidify, there is still a bit of a learning curve when it comes to the application. If you're not used to strip-free wax, it may take a little time to get the feel of how to remove it efficiently. But once you nail the technique, it's smooth sailing. When it comes to the pros, I love how gentle it is on the skin. It really does stick only to the hair, making it a great option for sensitive skin types. And I think it's fantastic for unisex use, as it can handle the coarser hair typically found in men's waxing routines. Plus, it's versatile and can be used on all hair textures, from fine to coarse. On the downside, while it claims to be pain-free, I'd be lying if I said waxing was ever entirely pain-free. The product does minimize discomfort, but waxing is still an uncomfortable process for many. In terms of value for money, it really depends on your personal needs. For salon-quality wax at home, the price is pretty reasonable, especially when you consider that it's strip-free and safe to use on sensitive areas. The quantity is also generous at 132 ounces, which will last you quite a while if you're using it regularly. If you're someone who needs frequent waxing, this could be a solid investment. However, if you only wax occasionally, you might find the large quantity a bit excessive. Now, comparing this to other waxes in the same category, many strip-free options tend to be a little more challenging to work with or require higher temperatures. Azulene's moderate working temperature is a key differentiator here, and it's a big reason why it stands out. Some other popular brands might be cheaper, but their performance isn't always as consistent. When it comes to consistency and ease of use, I think Too Naked Azulene holds up very well. In terms of build quality, the wax has a great texture and does not solidify on contact, making it ideal for multiple applications. I didn't notice any cracking or poor consistency over time, even after several uses. As for longevity, a little goes a long way with this product. So, you can expect it to last a long time, especially if you're using it for smaller areas like the upper lip or underarms. If you've had experience with Too Naked's customer service, they've built a strong reputation for being responsive, though I didn't have to reach out myself. If you're curious about any issues or concerns, their customer support team seems to handle inquiries quickly and effectively. Now, if this product feels a bit too pricey, there are alternatives on the market, such as Gigi's Brazilian Waxing Kit or Satin Smooth's Strip-Free Wax, which might be a bit more affordable but offer similar results. Of course, you'll need to consider your own priorities, whether that's a larger quantity, a smoother application, or an overall better value. To wrap it up, Too Naked Azulene Strip-Free Wax is a solid choice for anyone looking for a gentle, effective, and unisex wax for sensitive areas. It performs well across a variety of hair types, and its strip-free formula minimizes discomfort. While the price might be a bit higher, you're getting salon-quality performance at home, which I think is worth the investment if you wax regularly. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.